Are your finances holding you back from reaching your full profit potential? What if I told you that by simply organizing your finances, you could unlock hidden profits that are right in front of you? Yes, you heard that right. Stick with me, and I'll show you how streamlining your money management can transform your financial future. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to maximize your profits, whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone trying to get a better grip on your finances, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the power of financial organization and how it can literally unlock profit opportunities that many people overlook. Most of us don't even realize how much profit we're losing due to disorganized finances. So, step 1, assess where you stand right now. What does your current financial picture look like? Do you know how much you're really making, spending, and saving? Key tip number 1. Start by reviewing your bank statements, credit card balances, and any outstanding debt. Understanding your cash flow, what's coming in and what's going out, is crucial. This way, you'll get a clear picture of your financial health and be ready to identify where the hidden profits are. We're just getting started, so stick around because I'll show you practical ways to slash unnecessary expenses and put more money back into your pocket. Now that you know where you stand financially, it's time to dig deeper and cut out what's holding you back from more profits. Key tip number 2. Eliminate unnecessary expenses. I'm talking about those monthly subscriptions you barely use, impulse buys, and overspending in areas that don't add real value to your life or business. Prioritize what's essential, things that directly contribute to growth or stability. Maybe you're paying for software you no longer need, or that daily $5 coffee is draining your budget. Small changes here can lead to significant savings over time. If you've made it this far, I already know you're serious about taking control of your finances. Let's take it a step further by creating a budget that actually works. Key tip number 3. Set a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. This is where profit optimization really begins. Be sure to include both fixed expenses, things you must pay, and variable ones, things you can adjust. Track your progress consistently, monthly, or even weekly. Use apps or software like Mint, YNAB, or QuickBooks to track your spending and savings. When you start seeing those expenses decrease and your savings grow, you'll realize the power of organization. Here's where things get exciting. Once your finances are organized and optimized, it's time to start putting your money to work. Key tip number 4. Making informed investment decisions is the key to growing your wealth. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or even reinvesting in your own business, the profits you unlock by organizing your finances can now be redirected into smart investments. The sooner you start making smart investments, the sooner you'll see your money working for you, leading to passive income and long-term financial freedom. Now that we've covered expenses, budgeting, and investing, it's time to talk about setting your financial goals. This is what will keep you focused and motivated on your profit journey. Key tip number 5. Set realistic and achievable financial goals. Break them down into short-term and long-term goals. The key here is sustainability. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting goals that are too lofty too soon. To recap, organizing your finances is the first step to unlocking hidden profits. Start by assessing your financial situation, cutting unnecessary expenses, creating a budget, investing wisely, and setting realistic goals. These tips can transform your financial journey and lead you to greater success. If you found these tips valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment with your biggest financial goal, and share this video with someone who could benefit from better money management. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more content that will help you on your path to financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the road to financial freedom starts with small, organized steps. You've got this. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to unlock your profit potential.